Top 10 Best Accounting Textbooks in 2021. From tax returns and corporate financial statements to liabilities and fraud, these accounting textbooks will help you get a solid foothold in the field. Whether you're aiming to become a CPA or would like to more fully understand your business financial health, something from our selection will get you closer to your goal. We've included options for beginners as well as advanced learners. 1. Accounting Principles. Accounting Principles, around $186, introduces fundamental concepts and managerial skills from the perspective of a sole proprietor. It features plenty of opportunities for self-guided practice, allowing students to double down on the problem-solving techniques they've learned. Ideal for a 2-semester program, many useful appendices and examples from corporations. 2. Schaum's Outlines Principles of Accounting I. Schaum's Outlines Principles of Accounting I, around $16, gives a basic overview of some fundamental aspects of the field, but it mostly shines as a workbook. With over 500 practice problems and answers included, it will keep you sharp long into the future. Solid addition to a 101-level course, explains concepts like debt recovery and 5 complete sample exams. 3. Managerial Accounting. In Managerial Accounting, around $91, the 3 main functions that managers perform are identified, then everything students need to know about handling these duties is explained at length, although, thankfully, the writing does not feel long-winded or overdone. End of chapter practice sets, samples from the service industry and good refresher for professionals. 4. Financial Accounting. Spiceland, Thomas, and Herman's Financial Accounting, around $152, is primarily interested in keeping learners engaged in the classroom environment. That means it includes analyses of continuing problems rather than just listing off arbitrary examples. Common mistakes are highlighted, written in a conversational style and glossary for each chapter. 5. Advanced Accounting. Advanced Accounting, about $116, provides context for key concepts and terminology, often using historical controversies and their resolutions as examples. The goal is to get readers thinking critically to prepare them for the CPA exam and future career. Covers international standards, will enhance your vocabulary and an abundance of discussion questions. 6. Intermediate Accounting. The information in Intermediate Accounting, around $145, will be perfect for overcoming the final hurdle on the path to becoming a CPA. Not only does it cover the vast majority of the material on the exam, but it's also a comprehensive text in its own right. Every chapter opens with a vignette, very thorough at over 1,500 pages and good reference volume for firms. 7. Accounting 28th Edition. Written to provide a solid foundation without being overwhelming, Accounting 28th Edition, around $113, has a presentation style meant to engage and motivate. It uses concise paragraphs, bullets, and meaningful illustrations and graphs to help readers easily assimilate the material. Handy companion website, useful flowcharts and dents in places. 8. Fundamental Accounting Principles. Fundamental Accounting Principles, about $192, is aimed at students of any stripe. Whether you're interested in becoming a CPA or simply want to understand what a company's financial statement means, this is a great introductory option. Good for autodidacts, has ethics exercises and pages are a little busy. 9. Barron's Accounting Handbook. Barron's Accounting Handbook, around $21, is mostly a reference volume for professionals, though students will appreciate it as well. Thanks to its extensive dictionary of relevant terms, clarifying a tricky issue is made particularly easy. Details GAAP and IFRS standards, covers tax form preparation and not suitable for beginners. 10. Government and Not-for-Profit Accounting. Government and Not-for-Profit Accounting, about $145, teaches how to measure metrics that are difficult to define, one of the most challenging aspects of working for non-business entities. It strives to be as accessible as possible and doesn't get bogged down in rules and regulations. Emphasis on real-world applications, contains actual financial statements and could use more visuals.